Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is PJ. Today I'm going to show you how to create UK USA TikTok account. I'm basically my first create UK account and I said USA account and I said international TikTok account. When you say Ghana, I say you into your TikTok for car. What I say into your TikTok for car. Before say bit your account, let's work for life.
Tap the screen or follow me and follow me or follow me and unfollow me and follow me and unfollow me and follow me and follow me, follow me and unfollow me. Tapping the screen, tapping the screen, tapping the screen. Yes, I've been saying follow my gifters, follow my gifters, follow my gifters. Tap the screen, tap the screen, tap the screen, tap the screen. Follow my gifters, follow my gifters. Sorry.
Tap. Tap. Say follow my gifted. What I say, and no now bit me, I know bit me yes, but make sure when I'm for befaso and yaska every TikTok at the end of the month, TikTok is going to pay you this amount. You understand? So free, totally free. Yencho, we were yencho, we were TikTok for no we were almost city. We over quite to scan your back. We make sure free. What I say, my every say baby, me who find befa ubit me. My creative account in the account is working well for me, but I haven't started making money from it. I just discovered it. So my creative is here. I said it. Made posting the videos out there. Saying, see, I'm a new what they call TikTok account. As me post to internet. Me babe check when I be first so bit me nya TikTok UK international UK account. Any friends USA any country be per se. Nya way friends account no also be no be check. But Ghana ha ye into your TikTok for car unless you call live. Double tap, follow my gifted, break, but just do the video and get the views. But I say, if you get the views there, they are going to pay you at the end of the month. TikTok is going to pay you. So with me, if you videos are all your when you're with me, until my person will share video to the very end. What I say, so I won't tell you, so make sure you comment under the comment section. The only thing I say, you got comment or na your parents say, the only thing I say, make a video on you. Yes, stay tuned. What did you do at the very end? What I say, go to start it. Step by step, practical. As I say, first of all, don't create a new account. Because a new email account, like Google account, email address, I will be I create a TikTok account. As I say, until creative, we are making sure say men promo. Until I'm saying share video to very until creative, we are near call a friends or TikTok app. No matter how your friends account has a wall so, but maybe children quite obviously my first way in your international TikTok account a bit make sure at the end of the month. Until creative year before so be creative man how me take a video to the very end and get this started. This is practical, so you'll find the video very useful here. Please can subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Oye ubie yi na ubie TikTok account say na be nti obeba ase to bebo ase udin Prince-K na boy we na want we account ase no want person unya TikTok account before that make sure so we create your fencing who new email account say Gmail account and say email any email address be anu na dey be create nti e be ko say to beba ase add account fresh one just fresh one don't use a old one. Okay. Nti ebeba say add account. Nti o add account nti busia we bie account no. We bie TikTok account no say na be. Nti you no ba say on say you GH just say by continue with an account located in what I say macho GH e wa say. Nti GH obebo GH no so pay attention. Guys, have you pay attention? So obebo GH no so GH em say na sha ketekete. Obebo so say two boss are this and OGH who ye for aba upe UK and I say US and for UK because you fencing US they on to UK UK TikTok account they be way you claim pay you claim okay but the emblanya say may different one tiembla UK what I say in this area you pay United Kingdom what I say per se your TikTok account in call United Kingdom one boss say bah into boss on said down I say by continuing with a account located in United Kingdom any you agree to our policies. Then one into answer what bazi continue with Google. What I say continue with Google. So when we email and email password and so boss say by me email in one say me into answer me call continue with Google. Anyway. The guys pay attention what the video very clear. So you are going to use this one. make sure some fast account no and create a fresh account. Then we come and select your date of birth here. Understand? Just select any date of birth here. So I'm just selecting any date of birth, not my real date of birth here. So I'm just selecting any date of birth. So that's it. So of course. So that's it. We are done with you are done with your international TikTok account. So you want to change a name, you can change a name here. Because I use this one to create something. Just changing it. You can use like um the UK. The UK. Between with the UK, just simple name, be a nickname, be a simple way. What I say. Now we are done with your international TikTok account. What I say, you have international TikTok account. Just simple as ABCD. What I say, until we say, make a question. Say the videos are being here as a US, as a different countries, any Ghana or to win your international TikTok account. That's simple as that. You are done. You are done. Understand? So make a question programs are let me cancel it first. So make a question programs, nti yɛmfa n sɛ TikTok studio so wobɛtumi anya creator site inside then the blah. Okay, so these are the so after opening it we come and check it here. So subscription, you get TikTok shop, you get creator reward program, you understand, then creator marketplace, work with artists, live, those things. So you get all the equipment. I say equipment. So you understand. So you get all the equipment over here. So that's it. So find this video very useful. Please kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. You understand? So creator road, just type it. We get also they are going to pay you every month. You understand? So you have your international TikTok account without free. So you find this video very useful. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah. So I'll see you in the next video.